Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best essential oil diffuser that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the GuruNanda Tower XL Essential Oil Diffuser. The GuruNanda Tower XL Essential Oil Diffuser is hands down the largest diffuser on our list and one of the best diffusers for essential oils. This product not only provides diffusing of essential oils for up to 16 hours at a time, and it also humidifies the air because of how much water it can hold. Many diffusers do not possess a large enough water tank to humidify the air, but this tower certainly does. Unlike other humidifiers, it does not monitor the moisture levels in the air though. This tower stands out in a room and is very large, making it hard to hide, but an excellent choice for large, open spaces and open-plan living and dining areas. This diffuser comes with 3 modes and features an auto shut-off feature. While there are no timed features, I've found you can simply fill the diffuser up as much as you need and let it run instead of all the way full for varying run times. One of our favorite features is the remote, which allows you to control this diffuser from your comfy chair across the room. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Pure Daily Care Ultimate Aromatherapy Essential Oil Diffuser. This essential oil diffuser offers adjustment options so that it nestles into any room with ease. The Ultimate Aromatherapy Diffuser and Essential Oils set comes with a 300 ml water capacity BPA plastic diffuser with a wood grain print and 10 essential oils for hundreds of scent combinations. The light wood grain fits in with most home decor, and 7 light settings with 2 intensities make for 14 lighting options for any mood or home. There are multiple runtime options for this aromatherapy diffuser, including 1, 3, and 6 hours, as well as a continuous runtime that auto shuts off once the water is depleted. Additionally, there are high and low settings for mist levels. Lastly, this kit comes with everything you need to get started on your aromatherapy journey. Not only do you receive a diffuser, but you also receive 10 essential oils, including lemongrass, lavender, peppermint, orange, nutmeg, clove, tea tree, spearmint, jasmine, and eucalyptus. With so many oils to choose from, you have endless essential oil blends. At number 3, we have the InnoGear Essential Oil Diffuser. The InnoGear Essential Oil Diffuser is a 300 ml capacity essential oil home diffuser that stands just 5.5 inches tall and is simple to use. It features 8 light modes, so it can easily blend into any room or decor. Most of the diffuser is translucent, therefore, the color you choose will radiate through the entire device, not just a button or a line. This diffuser offers 2 diffusing options. You can set the product to intermittent mist, where the diffuser will mist every 30 seconds for 6 to 8 hours, or you can set the diffuser to continuous mist for 3 to 4 hours of runtime. To prevent overheating, this diffuser also comes with an auto-off feature once the water tank is empty. The main downside of this diffuser is its size, but if you only need it for a small space, it is perfect. At number 2, we have the EQUSUPRO Ultrasonic Cool Mist Aromatherapy Essential Oil Diffuser. The Ultrasonic Cool Mist Aromatherapy Essential Oil Diffuser has a 100 ml water capacity, making it an excellent choice for small spaces. This diffuser also features a unique tree design with a wood grain base that brings elements of nature into your home. When it comes to simplicity and ease of use, this diffuser takes the cake. Simply plug it in, fill the reservoir with water and your selected oils and turn it on. Once the water is gone, the diffuser will shut off on its own. No timers, no complicated buttons, just a simple, one-touch system for operation. This diffuser is nearly foolproof. You may also be interested in some of the top candles from our list. Be sure to browse them. And finally, at number 1, we have the Jack and Rose Essential Oil Diffuser. The Jack and Rose Essential Oil Diffuser is a 500 ml essential oil diffuser that sports a very different yet modern look from the other diffusers on this list. The faux marble top, rose gold detailing and legs and turquoise bodywork together elegantly for a striking look that nestles right into any modern home and decor. We adore the elegance in this diffuser. No boho wood grains to be found here. It is all chic. Aside from its killer looks, this diffuser also sports LED lights with 7 color options and a 500 ml water capacity. This diffuser is excellent for a large room with a coverage area of 480 square feet and 3 timed options of 1, 3, and 6 hours or a continuous mist option. There is a small bit of assembly required with this diffuser, which is the only downside we can find. When this diffuser arrives at your home, you will need to attach the 3 legs, that is all, and you will be on your way to a beautiful smelling home. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.